On January 10th, the Uganda Nations Road Authority, UNRA, opened the Kampala Flyover pedestrian bridge at the clock tower section. Kampala City has recently faced significant growth in traffic that have been a strain on the existing road capacity. As part of measures to alleviate gridlock within the city, JICA commissioned a study in 2010 and later on updated in 2013 and 2014 to investigate options for alleviating chronic traffic jams in the greater Kampala. The government of Uganda accepted the recommendation of the study and through the Uganda National Roads Authority engaged Nippon Koei in a joint venture with 8th Japan Engineering Company and Infra Consulting Services Limited to carry out the detailed design and tender assistance of the Kampala Flyover project. The project, Jinja Road, Mukwano Road, Queens Way, is funded by the Ugandan government with financing from JICA. Among others, this study recommended the construction of 2 flyovers at Kitgum House and Clock Tower junctions. The Kampala Flyover project is a significant infrastructure initiative aimed at addressing traffic congestion and improving transportation efficiency in Uganda's capital city, Kampala. The project involves the construction of flyovers at the Clock Tower and at Kitgum House, the widening of Nsambya Road and of Mukwano Road, including the improvements of interfacing roads and junctions. The project stretches over an estimated 3.5 kilometers. This road project is intended to decongest the city by separating through traffic from the city street traffic. This project focuses on traffic entering the city, mainly from Entebbe along the old Kampala-Entebbe Road and from Mpigi along the Kampala-Mpigi Expressway. Traffic from these routes, destined to Lugogo, Nakawa, and points along the Kampala-Jinja Highway, will find this new route faster and more user-friendly, reducing travel times and leading to less carbon emissions from exhaust fumes in stalled traffic on the city streets. Also, by removing the pass-through traffic off the city streets, the congestion will be lessened. This project is planned as part of International Corridor, connecting Mombasa, Kenya, passing through Uganda, and finally connecting Rwanda and DR Congo. So, with the conceptualization of the flyover to divert traffic to, behind the city, through Mukwano Road. The project was initially conceptualized as one project Lot 1 Clock Tower Junction and Lot 2 Kitgum. From Mukwano Road to Jinja Road is set to be constructed in Lot 2, connecting roads such as Yusuf Lule Road and Kampala Avenue. Completion of first phase of the project has helped to improve local traffic flow within the city, reducing time spent by travelers by quickly connecting the nearby towns. When the 2 lots are complete, a trip from Jinja Road to Entebbe Road will only take 10 minutes. The project was designed with a mindset of knowledge and skills transfer. The skilled and semi-skilled workers constitute over 98% of the workers, directly leading to skills transfer between Japanese contractors and local workers, and also increasing income earned by local citizens. The first phase of the project begun in 2018, once a contractor had been selected. The project is expected to cost between $148 million and $200 million, borrowed from the government of Japan through the Japan International Cooperation Agency. Construction works began in January 2019 and featured the construction of a half-a-kilometer road along ShopRite and Nsambya Road Junction, upgrading of already existing infrastructure, widening of the 0.5-kilometer-long Queensway, improvement of the 0.2-kilometer Entebbe Road, and widening of the 0.4 kilometers Nsambya Road. New pedestrian bridges will also be established at Clock Tower, ShopRite, and Kabuli, while the junctions at ShopRite and Clock Tower are also set to be upgraded. The mega project will help alleviate traffic within the Kampala CBD and the greater Kampala metropolitan area. Once the project is finished, Access to Clock Tower Flyover and Kitgum House Flyover will be limited to specific vehicles and excluded for pedestrians, bicycles, boda-bodas, motorcycle taxis, tricycles, and heavy vehicles exceeding 7.5 tons. The first phase is budgeted at $82 million. While Lot 2 covers the Kitgum House area at the Jinja Road junction with a flyover stretching 2.9 kilometers. The lot sees widening of the Mukwano Road, Jinja Road, Yusuf Luli Road, Nile Avenue, and access roads.